We were welcomed at the lychee farm with this beautiful plant at the front gate with the entrance. This is so beautiful. The flowers and the green leaves, simply awesome. And now we are entering the lychee farm. There are some mango trees here. They're not yet ripe. So specifically, we have come today for the lychee farm. This is once in a year opportunity for a lychee pickup, and we make the most of it. And the lychees are so bright and nice. My daughter is picking up some lychees which are at the lower level, and they provide ladder and everything to pick up lychees which are at much higher level. And we have to make sure that we pick up the ripe ones, because if they're not ripe, it's just a waste of fruit. And some people don't take care of these things, but many do. So whenever you go for any fruit picking, please, these farmers, they work so hard. So try to respect their hard work and pick up only the fruits which are ripe. Don't pick up the raw ones and throw it on the ground and waste it, because they're losing money. Just once in a year they get opportunity to make this money, and they work hard for the whole year, just for this lychees or any fruits to grow. So this is a beautiful. They have a lake in the property. It's beautiful, fun spot for vacation, for relaxation. I sat here to practice some meditation, because it was weather was also not too hot when we went for lychee picking. See this, that's a very high level, and we are going to use the ladder to pick up those. Lychees are very sweet in taste. You just take the outer skin out and eat the middle portion and throw out the seed. My daughter is just all the lychees which are ripe at the lower portion. She's just taking them advantage of it. The mangoes are not yet done, but they said we can pick up the mangoes which are on the ground. The raw mango for pickling. Beautiful. And the environment, the ambience here is so beautiful. These are some banana trees. So beautiful.